This message is for KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. I just got back from Jamaica and made it home right before this horrendous storm. But while I was there, I found out that Jamaicans absolutely love KFC. It's literally their thing. I went to a local KFC just to check it out, and there was a line wrapped around the entire restaurant. So KFC, I have a request. I request that you help these Jamaican people who absolutely love your establishment. After this horrendous storm, many of these people do not have homes, they don't have food, and they absolutely are probably the biggest supporters of your establishment. So I ask you to please help them in any which way you can. If you know anything about the Jamaican people, they are a loving people, they are a giving people, they are a kind people. So could you, KFC, find it in your hearts to do some of the same for them?
How the blood clot is watch it. When the two blood clot hungry. Watch them too hungry, watch I see the blood clot hungry people in you, watch out, when they not KFC, watch out. Them hungry, Hungry people ever come. Hungry people ever come. Blood clot.
After the Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica, food became scarce. But what did KFC do? They handed Jamaicans free food because it is a statistic that Jamaica love KFC the most. With the first video you have just watched, you can clearly get to understand that Jamaicans indeed love KFC with their heart. If you find this video educative, of value and of essence, you want your family and friends in Jamaica to know about this and around the world, you can as well share this video to them. Most of all, don't forget to subscribe and like this video up, family. Well, KFC is #1 in Jamaica. It has been in Jamaica for the past 50 years. Majority of Jamaicans prefer KFC because it is sweet, it is reliable, and it is a fast food. Jamaicans wanted help. KFC came through to them. It gave them free food. That's how you do when people are in need. KFC makes billions of dollars yearly in Jamaica because the people who own this franchise in Jamaica are Jamaicans. That's why they decided to help their people when they are in need. Let's watch the following videos I've compiled of people arguing KFC is truly the best. Let's watch the following and come back and discuss more about this.
I saw this content creator talking about how much Jamaicans love KFC. As a matter of fact, she said the last time that she visited Jamaica and she went to that particular restaurant, the line was wrapped around the block. And it's true. Jamaicans do love KFC and they rep for it hard. They say that theirs is some of the best in the world. But as hard as Jamaicans go for KFC, I think that it's time that the organization showed their corporate social responsibility and poured back into the people who have supported them over the years, especially in the wake of Hurricane Melissa and all the devastation that it has wrought on the island of Jamaica. But beyond chicken joints and big corporations, I haven't seen too many grassroots efforts focused on raising funds to build back the island. And trust me, they're going to need a lot of money in order to do that. When you think about the infrastructure, the food that people need, and having to move from one place to another, they're going to need a lot of money. One of the organizations that I did come across was an organization called Walk Good Jamaica.
I'm getting a few messages like this above, and I just want to be very clear about who I am speaking to when I'm asking KFC to help the Jamaican people. Some of you may already know this, but KFC is a franchise, meaning any business owner could buy into the franchise and be the owner of that establishment. Therefore, more than likely, the KFCs in Jamaica are owned by fellow Jamaicans. My call to action is to KFC, the corporation, and they are owned by Yum Brands. Now, it's beautiful if the franchises in Jamaica are helping out, but 9 times out of 10, they're Jamaicans and they were affected by the hurricane too.
I see a video with the KFC representative where them said them are donate $18 million towards rebuilding Jamaica, you know, are probably towards the people that were badly impacted by this terrifying hurricane Melissa.
and me see them a pop boxes of food, you know, meals and stuff like that, and you know, they said they did a batch already and they're on their second batch. I'ma feel good about it, you know. Me feel good about it. But me feel so good about it. Me not tell a lie. So I know there was a lot of people who was bashing them and wanna do the right thing. Wanna do the right thing because they needed to. But them come through. So I could make some video and make we big them up. Because me feel good about this. Me feel good about it. Big man thing.
Listen. If any restaurant in Jamaica need to give back, is KFC the #1 restaurant that need to step up to the plate and feed the people of Jamaica right now. Because Jamaican love KFC and they spend a lot of money buying KFC. So KFC in Jamaica, if you are seeing this video, this is for you. For now, feed them buckets of chicken. Give them whatever they need right now. And you know what? You should be feeding them for 3 months long for free. And not only giving back food, after feeding them, you need to help them to rebuild, help them financially to get up back on their feet. Because if it was not Jamaican people, you would not have a KFC.
Hey, I'm Andre Roper, KFC Jamaica Marketing Manager. We're here with our KFC team. We're preparing another set of meals to go down to support those persons who have been negatively affected by Hurricane Melissa. We sent out meals earlier this week and we're sending out another set of meals, and we're going to be sending out more meals every day to support those persons who have been negatively affected. Have to big up to our KFC team who have again stepped up, always reliable, always dependable, putting out those meals for those persons who have been affected. Many of our team members themselves have been affected in that part of the island, and we're looking out for them. We're making sure that they are on that road to recovery as well. So we're proud to be supporting these relief efforts, proud to be getting these KFC meals into the hands of those persons in that part of the island who need it the most, and we're looking forward to continuing to be a part of this ongoing recovery effort in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa.
So far, how would you rate KFC in Jamaica? Is it #1? Is it because it is the best ranked KFC in the whole world, that's why they decided to help those people who are in need? Or is it because they are returning a helping hand to the community which promotes and buys from them? We all know Jamaica has many fast foods, but majority of Jamaicans prefer KFC because it is reliable, it is fast, and it is sweet. All over the world, KFC is #1. This video needs to reach the KFC headquarters so that they can know Jamaicans are grateful to them. Giving out free food is not an easy work at all. KFC Jamaica did its part. That's why we can classify it as the best deal breaker in the whole world. What do you think about this question? Can we classify KFC Jamaica to be the best in the whole world? Remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your family and friends. See you on the next episode, where we'll continue to uplift the Jamaican family from all evil. This storm will surely come to pass, and God will protect, and God will forsake you all. God protect the KFC family in Jamaica for helping out Jamaicans in these times of need, because they give you billions of money when they buy from you. Thank you and goodbye.